Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week's knot is the constrictor knot. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at the Knot School. I hope you enjoy it. The constrictor knot is known for its powerful gripping ability. The constrictor knot is classified as a binding knot or a seizing knot. These knots are used to bind objects together tightly. Structurally, the constrictor knot is formed by a series of wraps and tucks that create a very tight constricting hold. It shares similarities with other binding knots, such as the whipping knot, but its specific configuration creates a much more powerful grip. Structurally, the constrictor knot is a much more secure variation of the clove hitch. To tie a constrictor knot, begin by wrapping the rope around the object to be secured. Then cross the working end over the standing part, creating an X. Pass the working end under the standing part and back through the X. Repeat this process, creating a second wrap. Then finally, pass the working end under the first wrap and pull it tight. The constrictor knot finds use in applications where a very tight, secure binding is required, such as tying bundles and general rigging. The constrictor knot performs well with a variety of rope materials, but its holding power is particularly effective with natural fiber ropes. However, it can also be used with synthetic ropes, provided it's tied and dressed correctly. Its ability to create a tight grip is due to the multiple wraps and the way they're cinched down. The primary risk associated with the constrictor knot is its extreme difficulty to untie, especially after being heavily loaded or shocked. Therefore, it's essential to consider the potential for needing to untie the knot before tying it. If it's under too much load, it can become impossible to untie. There are no recommended safety modifications or backup knots, but planning ahead regarding the knot's permanency is key. The constrictor knot can be found in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1188 on page 216.